What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, today's gains were very nice when it comes to Shiba Inu. Today, what I want to talk about is how we are going to continue this trend that we saw today, how the broader cryptocurrency market is looking, and where we go from here. So, folks, if you are new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family of investors, throw a like on this video so we can get it out to more people, and please, last but not least, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency you are in. Please go ahead and comment down below. Folks, today has been a seriously good day for Shiba Inu, and I am loving it as we are going into June here. Things are looking quite good. We saw this very nice candlestick here upwards. We leveled off, and then we saw another one. A little bit of selling pressure here. People taking profits, it seems, because no bad news has come out. And now we are steady trending upwards. Folks, this looks very nice. I love looking at graphs like these. We are not exploding like we did before, but we are steadily increasing, and we are seeing dips along the way. But as it starts to dip, we are just gobbling up those dips as we are trending upwards. These are the types of things I like to see. I told you guys before, when we're skyrocketing upwards and whenever we're dipping like crazy, those are times that I'm worried. Why am I worried about those times? Because whenever we're skyrocketing, I'm always worried about a sell off. And whenever we're dipping, I like to buy the bottom, as everybody does. Get your best bang for your buck. But whenever we are rising like this with small areas of consolidation and the dips just being gobbled up like this is what I like to see. This seems like very organic growth, and I think not only are we seeing a nice recovery in the broader cryptocurrency market, but we are seeing what potential positive catalysts can do for a token like Shiba Inu. And speaking of which, folks, we haven't even seen any of the big catalysts that I've been reiterating so much on this channel. And I don't want to be a broken record here, but you guys already know the deal. We got Robinhood coming down the pipeline. We got potentially SHIBASWAP coming down the pipeline. In the long-term future, we got Coinbase, and sprinkled in between, we got a whole bunch of other exchanges. And speaking of exchanges, folks, if you are looking for a new brokerage to invest with, I am an official Webull affiliate. The way it works is if you use my link in the description below, you can sign up to use a Webull account and get a free stock valued from $2.50 all the way up to $250. Now, if you deposit $100 into that Webull account that you can trade with, you can get a free stock valued from $8 all the way up to $1,600. So please go ahead, use that affiliate link, deposit $100, and get yourself some free stocks today. You can use Webull to buy cryptocurrencies now. They have not listed Shiba Inu, but who knows? Maybe I'll talk to them and see if they can list Shiba Inu in the future, or maybe we can at least get the conversation started. You never know. Back to this graph, folks. We are looking quite strong here in June. June is one of those months where we expect crypto to be strong, or we have been expecting crypto to be strong. And this looks like the trend is going to continue as we look into June. Folks, if we can get a ShibaSwap, a Robinhood listing this month, or at least talks about it, then I think this thing is going to do very well. Obviously, like I told you guys before, our price is intimately tied to the Bitcoin price. And as Bitcoin starts to recover here tonight, and even throughout the day today, we can see a good recovery in Shiba Inu. But how are we going to propel ourselves forward despite Bitcoin's price doing well? Because we have seen times where Bitcoin was doing well and Shiba Inu wasn't. So what does that look like in terms of how Shiba Inu is going to do well while Bitcoin is also doing well? Obviously, I looked to the Twitter page for a lot of good catalysts. Guys, here's a small update about the number of holders. We have 454,000 SHIB holders, and the price change has been 8% in the positive direction here in the last 24 hours. Right. And then another big piece of news that really sparked my interest is, we see here SHIB Informer. What if I told you that you can now pay for your surgery with SHIB? So what the heck are they talking about? We have this hospital here. I shouldn't say hospital. Maybe it's a small clinic or something like that. Merchant Institute officially accepts Shiba Inu crypto coin as payment for all services. Guys, this is quite big news. I'm not going to read the article in detail here, but we can just go in and see what it says. In line with being on the cutting edge of technology and minimally invasive surgery, our business department has informed us that we are now also on the cutting edge of business technology, as we now accept the number one electronic cryptocurrency in the world, the Shiba Inu token. ticker symbol is SHIB. We will accept the token as payment for all surgical services as well as for donations to our nonprofit foundation. Guys, this is huge news. We are transitioning into a new era of cryptocurrency. Obviously, a lot of people have been pushing how are we going to get cryptocurrency to start becoming mainstream. I think it's still a little bit early. I think the businesses that are developing ways to accept cryptocurrency are truly on the cutting edge of currency. But that being said, I think we are a far cry away from actually making this thing extremely mainstream to the point where you can walk down the street and buy a soda, for example, using cryptocurrency. But as far as I think that is, I think it's nearer than some other people think. You know, I'm a pessimist when it comes to this stuff, but I do believe that in the next 10 to 20 years, this stuff can become mainstream. Now, folks, what I want you guys to do is go out and do your own research about everything I talk about on this channel. These are just my thoughts and opinions, and I can be very wrong about most of this stuff. So please don't take this as financial advice. I'm just here to entertain you guys. Go out and do your own research and your own due diligence. Please, let's go ahead and take a very look at the basic price map here. Here's how we're looking on the day. We have gone up and it looks like it's continuing to trend up here into June, which is also very, very, very good. Another place that I love going for more insight as to how we can get back to these all-time highs. And of course, the 1 month chart isn't cooperating with me. Here we go. How can we get back to these all-time highs? Everybody always asks me. Guys, like I said, a mixture of good marketing, good catalyst, and this community really pushing this thing. And speaking of good marketing and catalyst, right here in INADAX, I mentioned this in my last video. I didn't realize how big of a deal it is. This is pretty big, guys. In INADAX, we are pleased to announce that a new crypto asset that will be added to the INADAX marketplace, Shiba Inu, for the USDT market. Guys, this is open deposit June 2nd, open for trading June 3rd. This is going to be one of those things that's going to build a lot of traction for Shiba Inu. We can't know exactly how much until we actually see it being traded on INADAX, but this is one of, sorry, INDADAX. I don't know why I keep saying INDADAX. And once this thing actually goes live on there, we can see just how much of a game changer it is going to be. Speaking of which, the Discord now has 60,000 members, pretty big, and then they put a Discord link as well. And then, of course, 547K followers on Twitter. Guys, this thing is just continuing to grow and grow, and it seems like it's going to prosper. And you have to remember that this is with all the difficulties in buying Shiba Inu thus far. And I shouldn't say difficulties, but the lack of big exchanges that have listed this thing, like a Doge coin, for example, that's listed on Robinhood and potentially being, not potentially, but going to be listed on Coinbase as well. We don't have that yet when it comes to Shiba Inu, and we don't have SHIBASWAP either. But once these things start coming to fruition, I truly believe that not only are we going to beat these all-time highs, folks, but we are going to skyrocket past them. As we see here, and something I really like doing is looking at the market cap. You guys know I love the market cap. Guys, when we were all the way up here, it was absolutely insane. You see it right there, around a $15 billion market cap. Absolutely nuts. And as we started to trend downwards, now we are at a mere market cap of $3.6 billion. So to get back to those all-time highs, we're gonna have to see around a 4x or so, give or take, a little bit even more than that. But guys, I do believe that we can get there from these levels. It's not a far cry away. I think it's just going to be a combination of these good catalysts as well as good marketing. And I think these all-time highs are going to be drops in a bucket compared to where we are going if all the catalysts end up coming to fruition, like I've always reiterated. Folks, it's a midnight upload. That's all I have for you guys today. It's late at night, I know, for some of you guys here in the US, but I wanted to get this information out to you guys just as a small update for where I think this thing is headed as we are going into June. Appreciate you guys watching all the way through. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Please throw a like on this video, get it out to more people. And last but not least, subscribe if you're new around here or finding your way back. And of course, if you watched all the way to the end, you're a boss. The best way you can help out this channel is signing up for a Webull signing up for a Webull brokerage account using the affiliate link in the description below. It really helps out the channel. You get yourself some free stocks and you can start trading on Webull. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm at the scene. Peace.